3 minutes on recording.
This is the river.
And this is our quest to try and get across the river. Right, no, seriously. Okay, will we try this way?
Yeah, because there's a rock over there.
Yeah, I better not. Right, I'm gonna try to take this rock. Okay, watch this rock because it's really slippy looking.
I'm gonna fall in.
Yay! Right.
Oh, it's really
I know. I was like, it's really slippy.
Is that rock rocky?
Yeah, sort of. So you have to like jump on that and then jump on to there. See?
Where am I going wrong?
Just jump on there. On these rocks, like.
Okay, now we're like in the middle.
Right, where are we trying to head? There?
That way?
Yeah. Ooh! I smell.
What's that like? Is that like crap? Is that caca all over the ground?
No, I don't think so.
Better not be.
Yeah.
Stand on people's shite. Oh, this rock is like twisted.
Right, is it safe to stand on that black
Yeah.
rock?
Well, that's safe to stand on.
Caca on the ground.
Well, it's
Ooh.
we are nearly there. We are nearly there.
Have we made it?
Okay, no, you see.
You're leading me. Oh my god, okay, that rock is really slippy.
What the fuck is... Oh, right, no. Okay, no, please, no.
Rachel, where the hell are you taking me?
I don't know.
There's a random crisp packet.
No, you see, I thought that was like a jellyfish gone mush over there, but it's not.
Where?
Is that? Oh, no.
Yeah, yeah, it does smell. Look at those birds. Yay, we got across.
Yeah, go off. Look where we came from.
Way over there.
Way over there.
To...
Yeah, way over here.
Okay, I shall end.
Okay. Whoa!
Bye.